Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm walking you through how to easily track your spending using the Rocket Money app. Let's get started. First, download the Rocket Money app from App Store or Google Play if you don't have it already. Open the app and either sign in to your existing account or create a new one. It's free to get started. Once you're logged in, you will be prompted to securely link your bank accounts, credit cards, and other financial accounts. These allow Rocket Money to automatically import and categorize your transaction. Now, head to Transactions tab at the bottom of the screen. Here, you will see all the recent spending neatly organized by category, like groceries, dining, bills, and entertainment. To get a bigger picture of your habits, tap on the Insights or Report sections. This breaks down your spending over time with easy to read charts and graphs. You can customize date range or filter by category to see exactly where your money is going. Want to see limits? Go to the Budgets tab to create monthly spending targets for specific categories. Rocket Money will notify you if you're close to exceeding your budget. For extra security, make sure to enable features like biometric login, Face ID, or fingerprint in the app settings. And that's it. You're now effortlessly tracking your spending and taking control of your finances. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Let me know in the comments if you have ever tried Rocket Money. And thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.